Sedona, and we wanted to visit the Blue McDonald's. And this is the arch. It's cool. Blue Arch McDonald's.
The golden arches make spotting a McDonald's very easy. There's one McDonald's that ditched the famous yellow color for a turquoise logo. Sedona, Arizona opted for bright blue because it was believed the yellow color would clash with the surrounding red rocks. The bright yellow letter M for McDonald's has to be one of the most recognizable logos in the entire world. However, there's one McDonald's that forgoes that famous yellow color in its logo in favor of a light bluish green. In Sedona, Arizona, the only arches you'll see are turquoise.